Hi, I'm Jan from velomobielworld.com and I want to make a very short video today about some developments of the bulk. I will turn my camera. So if you maybe seen on Facebook and our website, we were busy with designing the stickers. So this is the first time I glued it on. On the computer this looked perfect. But in the reality, this curve is a little bit more as the curve of the dividing line, so we need to adjust this one. That's why I didn't make it from reflective material. And on the background you hear the American Army non-stop. So this is not reflective, so we can take it off and put the final edition. On the end it will be reflective material. Here we put in the bulk design from Eckert Bulk, because Eckert Bulk and Jens designed this gorgeous velomobile. If you did not see yet on our website the different designs, please go to our website. We have also now a product page ready from the bulk and a page where we describe how this development came around. I think around is the correct English word. Have fun, see you next time.